So probably way over a week ago, Ruth asked me for a breast cancer awareness look. So that's what we're going to do today. The delay has been the fact that my eyelids were being angry. So I'm going to start with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away, and I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow primer. It would appear that it's all gone. All right, I'm a big girl, I used it up. I have a new one, and this that's going on here is some lashes that I did not take off last night when I went to bed. I gently soaked them with a damp washcloth, and they didn't let go, so I didn't force them. I thought, well, there you go. I'll be a step ahead tomorrow. I'm going to put some on the bottom underneath where I'm going to put it where I normally bring my eye look underneath also. I think I'm going to retire that because I have another one, and I'm going to use that one from now on, wherever it went. I don't see it. Oh well. All right, this is the shadow palette we're going to use today. It is Gen Nude Floral Utopia Bare Minerals. I'm going to begin with this color right here. Put that on near my crease. So I'm doing this on a Sunday. It's very pretty outside. I haven't been out except for to take Taco for a walk. I may go outside and read in a little bit, or go for a long walk. I just haven't decided yet. Okay, what was that first color? Dusty Violet. And it's pretty subtle, right? Then I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to take the color Red Roses and put that on my lid. I think that's a pinky red, right? I like that. All right, and this is the point where I usually do my brow. And I'm going to take the color, I think it's chocolate. Taupe. Okay, taupe. It's a micro brow pencil from NYX. I still have a little brow gel from yesterday in there. I washed the skin part of my face. No judging. All right, a little more of the Red Roses. Okay. Then I'm going to take the color Dark Dahlia. I know, it's so predictable. And I'm doing a triangle on the outside corner. right, there we go. I'm gonna bring that underneath. I'm using a pencil brush. It's from Sigma. It's a E30. And then I'm going to go back with that original brush. And work on this outside corner. There we go. Then I'm going to take my pencil brush and clean it off on my microfiber towel. And I'm going to take the color Sweet Cherry Blossom. I hope this doesn't take it to this peach place. And put that on the inside corner. And if I recall, these work better these mineral shadows work better if you dampen the brush. All right, let's do a liner. Let's do Sigma. And I'm going to take it along the lash line. Give it a bit of a flick at the end. There we go. Right along the lash line. And a bit of a flick at the end. And then I'm going to put some on the tight line on the outside. I'm going to take the color in this palette that's right here, and it's called Stay Golden Poppy. And I'm going to put that on my brow bone and swing it around. I'm going to diffuse that inside corner. Let's put some mascara on. This is the Bambi Eye mascara. It's still wet. It hasn't dried out yet. Unfortunately, I bought the waterproof. I've had this a while. I was just seeing if it's still workable. Because if it wasn't, I was going to toss it. I'm in one of those moods. I don't get in those moods very often where I throw things away. I hear Taco sniffing under the door. He wants to know if I'm still here. He probably wants to go lay out in the sun. It looks like it's hot. All right, there you go. That was Bambi Eyes mascara. Whoever that's by. Is it by Maybelline? I don't know who it's by. All right. Let's do a foundation. I pulled out this primer. It is by Make It Forever. What does it say? It just says step 1. Let's give this a go. The color of foundation, of skin. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my hands. Get it over with. Done and done. Boy, that feels silky. Wow. I like the way that feels. Then I'm going to take the foundation Born This Way in the color Seashell. I'm going to take it, put it on a wet beauty blender. Get some more. You know why? Because more is more. And then I'm going to take the Caudalie, spray my face. And continue blending. I think I always squeeze my beauty blender out too much. All right. I think I got foundation in my eyebrows. Now, let's go in with the Charlotte. I really love this bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. It really is airbrushed. It really does look airbrushed. And I'm using the multitask brush from Real Techniques. And I'm going to use the Dose of Colors underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use my Soft Blend Concealer brush from Sigma. It's a F64. And I'm going to softly blend the Dose of Colors underneath my eyes. And I also clean up that outside corner. Yes, I know. I put bronzer across my nose and then I come back with my concealer brush and make kind of a whitish streak down the center. Now, since we're doing a pink look, I'm going to pull out this palette because it has a bright pink blush in it. It's by Kat Von D. It's a discontinued palette, but this is what I would do. I would take a bright pink blush. Ugh. It's kind of garish. Okay, I'm getting it away from the center of my face, moving it back. There, that's better already, isn't it? Then I'm going to take the highlight, the bright pink highlight. So I put on the bright pink highlight from this palette. And I used the Frenemy pencil from Urban Decay, and that's on my waterline. And I touched up a few things while the camera was cooling off, and I put Red Rose underneath the Dahlia one, Dark Dahlia. Dark Dahlia is underneath on my bottom lash line, and then that's underneath that. All right. So let's do the lips. I'm gonna put the Frenemy on my lips too. It's really bright. And then I'm going to take my Christian Louboutin in the color, I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it right here. All right, we need some highlight on the Cupid's bow. Why? Because I like it there. And I think I need a highlight in the center of my lip. And this is a pencil from Benefit. It's the, I think it's the brow highlight. There we go. And the Laura Mercier. This little container is a travel size. And it just, y'all know how often I use it. It just keeps going and going and going. All right, Ruth, there's your pink look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. And Ruth, let me know if you will use any of these things that I suggested in your pink look. Y'all have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow night.